Tirana Castle is a small historic site in the center of Tirana. Only some parts of the walls is still remain, but now it is converted into the restaurants and cafe. This is the one of the walls is still remain, and rest of the castle and walls has been fallen down. Yeah, I can see there's a lot of restaurants and cafe, so it has been converted into the food area or food court style. There's some jewelry shop. They are selling here some silver jewelry. People sitting in the cafe and enjoying their coffee. It is actually a busy area. There's some shops, some souvenirs, fridge magnet also available here. This is actually a very nice area to come and have a dine or coffee and sit down, have some socializing and have a chit chat with the friends and family. And also halal food available here. If you are looking to have some halal food, you can go to restaurant, ask them, they will let you know. I see some halal sign here as well. People strolling on the street to enjoying the atmosphere of this Tirana castle.